Hi, this is Jim Palmer, and today is day 11 on getting the old Goldwing going. And so the plan for today is I want to make a pressure brake bleeding tool, and I'm going to use an older air conditioning system flushing rig for that. I'll show you what I got. Okay, so this is a air conditioning flushing rig that I bought years ago. I rebuilt the air conditioning on an old 73 GMC pickup truck. This is what I intend to use. This is how it comes. I think I put this valve on it, air shutoff valve. But to use this for flushing air conditioning, it says that you need to run it up to about 100 PSI, but I think for brake bleeding, that's way overkill, probably 10 to 15. I got a valve here. This will go in this end of the outlet side, and it is 1/8 national pipe thread. And then I'm going to make a plate to go on the top of the front master cylinder. I'm going to saw this out. I've got it marked. I got to scribe it and mark it. And then for doing the rear, I'm going to just put this in the hose. That's been JB welded, but I put some silicone on there just to make sure it was sealed. But this is going to go in the hose for the rear master cylinder. So I'll just pop the reservoir off, stick this in there, and we'll bleed it from that. I got a pipe tap and drill set, 1/4/8, 1/8 by 27 national pipe thread is what that says. I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. So there's the air in, comes in this side just down through there, and then this tube goes to the bottom of the tank. The idea being is that you'll collect your fluid under pressure and push it down the hose. I won't be using this, of course, and then this guy right here will screw in. So the big job is get cutting, so I'm going to start on that now. Okay, so I've cut out the cap and I have match drilled it to Honda Goldwing. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's match drilled. 4mm holes. I went up to 4.5 so it would move around a little bit. I got some rubber sheet here that I'll use for the gasket on the top. The idea is that we will just screw this down and then put this guy, I got this tapped and threaded, and then a hose over to, so I need to glue this on, and so I got a block of wood to set it on. I don't know what kind of glue to use. I got some Elmer's, good old rubber cement. What? Okay. And then this is okay. I decided to do one more thing before I knocked it off today. I'm going to go ahead and put this thing together the best I can. Okay, so now the hose. Okay, there's the idea. Dot 3 in here, up to about there. 15 psi there. This gets screwed down. I have some longer 4mm screws for the cap, and then I should be able to blow frickin' brake fluid all over the place. Hopefully not, it'll be contained and go out. This bottle here will be my brake fluid catch. So this will go on a Schrader valve. And old fluid and air from the system. Okay, so this is just screwed on, clamped on here till the glue dries on the. You don't really need to have the gasket glued to the block, but I thought, what the heck, why not try it? If it doesn't stick, I've already drilled all of these holes out. You can see I've blown it out on the back here. So as long as you don't do that when it's full of oil, I'll be okay. Okay, tomorrow will be D-Day, or maybe I should say bleed day.